How would you like to start your day on a high with so much energy that you can have maximum impact throughout the day? Well, today I'm going to share with you a few tips to get you there. Tip number 1, as soon as you wake up or the alarm rings, get out of bed. Don't hit snooze or a mental snooze and just lay there. Because imagine the first decision of your day was to snooze, and that's setting the tone for the rest of the day. Tip number 2, you need to not use your mobile phone, laptop, or touch the newspaper for the first hour of the day. What if there's something there that you don't like? What if there's some negative news? And unfortunately today there's a lot of that. Do you really want to start your day by reading something that lowers your energy levels? Or would you prefer to start with your energy levels up high? And the third tip is have a morning routine. So I'm going to take you through the morning routine, which is broken down into 4 steps. The first step, movement. You've been lying down for so many hours, it's time to get the heart pumping again and to get that blood circulating around the body. So just start to move. Walk around, do some push-ups, some star jumps, anything that makes you happy, but just move. The second part, breathe. Do some breath work. You can do pranayama, there's so many different types. You can just focus on breath, deep breaths from the belly rather than from the chest. Let's get that oxygen around to all the cells in our body and come alive. The third step, we're going to meditate. And during the meditation, this allows you to get centered so that you're more clear and more positive to start the day after having done the movement and the breath work. And finally, you can end with journaling. And before I get to journaling, I just want to say one thing about meditation. There's so many different types of meditation. Try them. When you were a baby and you went from crawling to walking, did you give up when you fell a few times, or were you persistent to ensure that you ended up walking? That's right, you ended up walking. So in meditation, it's the same thing. There's so many different types. Just keep at it. Try the different types: guided, non-guided, silent, focus on breath. There's so many. See which one works for you. There's no one size that fits all. And then finally, getting to the journaling, these are the things that I'd like you to do. Write down 3 things that you're grateful for. You're grateful to be alive. You're grateful to have loved ones in your life. You're grateful to have food on the plate. The next thing, 3 things I want you to write is 3 things you're excited about, whatever that may be for you. The next thing I want you to write is a positive affirmation. I'll share mine with you. I have the power to change my life for the better, to get it right and get the desired results. Again, you can search positive affirmations on Google. There's hundreds and hundreds out there. See which one aligns with you, with your thinking, with your heart. And the 4th step is go through a process of forgiveness. And if there's no one particular person to forgive, just forgive everyone and everything and ask for forgiveness as well. And then finally, to close, write down, today is going to be the best day ever. Because once you've done this morning routine, it's going to be high energy and high impact. If you'd like to know more information, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is decluttering.coach. Thank you.